Yun ang thoughts ko doon.
So, ang gusto mong mangyari is tulungan kita bilhin tong property na to?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay.
Solid area, solid house, outdated. Anyway, gustong-gusto ko sana ito. Ngayon, sinuratan ko na ng OTP, everything, lahat-lahat na. Good to go na. So, ang nangyari kasi sa isang partner namin, yung partner niya na doktor, sabi niya, like, I really don't like real estate because it's low. Sabi niya. Ngayon, tinakausap ko din parang, kasi medyo, well, you know what I mean, you're making with me. And I'm kind of like, you know what I mean, upset because like, you know what I mean, I could have like, you know what I mean, posted, ganun siya.
What do you think the ARV sa bahay na to?
I don't know eh. City assessment, 340 ata or 3 something din eh.
Nung na-contract nyo, 350.
350 oh. Yun ko bibilin sana. Sinubukan ko na dati sa kanya. Can you go down? Kasi that's the prices of the houses. Kasi pinili ko din ang iba pa niya. Sabi ko, my other partner, sabihin ko, he can go and talk to you. Parang hindi lang siya kasi ma-upset na parang,
oh, you're gonna walk away.
Kasi nag-promise ako na sigurado to, the financing, it's not a problem. Pinakita ko pa yung mga financial statement eh.
Right.
Pero biglang yung partner kasi, like, ayaw niya sa area yata. Kasi he's a doctor, so he doesn't care about these things. He's a millionaire, right?
So, ang gusto mong mangyari is tulungan kita bilhin tong property na to?
Yes. Yeah.
Ngayon, hindi ko masabi kung it's for me. Kung after fair value nito is 480, I'm in. But if it's 410, then that's so tight.
The best thing to do, puntahan mo, pakilala ka, like investors or whatever.
Yeah, I'm gagawin ko muna, bro, is research it, find out kung anong ARV. Ayoko muna magpakita ng mukha dun sa kanya. Pagka you break the contract, you could tell him, I know another guy willing to buy it off of you.
Yeah.
Kasi if I come in there with the same price, he's gonna expect I'm the investor.
Yeah.
Let me do my research and then I will let you know.
Ayaw ko naman sabihin na parang one of our partner back out. Pangit naman yun, nag-promise ka, parang gano'n.
Tama.
Anyway, do what you need to do. Do your business in there.
Sige bro, sige. Balitaan kita, no? Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. As you guys heard, we have another lead. It looks like we need to save somebody. Let's go!